Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can do this in just 2 minutes with DaVinci Resolve AI. So let's go straight into the computer, go to DaVinci Resolve, open your project, get your media into your timeline, and then here it is. This is my media over here. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to go to toolbox over here and just find titles. Get a title, go to text plus and drag this text over the top of your clip over here. Make it bigger. Now let's adjust the text actually. So this custom title I'm gonna make awesome. You are awesome. So I'm gonna go here. Well, you can choose whatever text you want. I like this one. Let's make it bigger. Go back like this. That's pretty good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to track this text to come down. All right, so somewhere from here, when I'm raising my hands like this, I'm going to make this text to come down. So for this, I'm going to, first of all, I have to hide the text. So there we are. I'm going to start from here. So let's track this text. Press this square over here. Now I'm tracking. So I raise the hands, now I'm tracking, so I'm gonna go 10 frames ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going 10 frames ahead, and then the text is gonna come down. Right, it's gonna come down to somewhere over here, right? So the text comes down to somewhere over here, well, maybe just a little bit lower, just like this. I'm pretty happy with it. Awesome. Right, next, look what's happening now. All right, so I'm coming from here. Look at this. Boom, nice. And then from here, all right, actually from somewhere from here, I'm gonna track it again. Right, let's do that. So I'm gonna track it again, press the square, and then from here, again, 10 frames ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, I'm gonna track it all the way to the left of the screen. Gone. And look what's happening. So the text comes down, boom, boom. Right, it's a bit too fast, I think. So what we're gonna do, we will have to adjust it just a little bit. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So go to this option over here. So this is my tracking point. Right, it's quite fast. Okay, so I'm gonna move it a little bit towards there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, yes, that's much better. So let's make this transition a bit softer. Oh yes, that's much better. You see, sort of like goes slowly and then goes fast. Boom. Interesting. Boom. Well, okay, let me calm it down like this. So it starts from here. You know what? I mean, you got the point. So you can get this tracking point and you can move it wherever you want. So personally, I like to do the text first and then, you know, do the rest. You'll see the depth map. We're going to use AI settings today. Boom, text comes down. Boom, goes there. Excellent. Right, so here is the next step, what we have to do. It's so simple. It's so easy. It's remarkable. So what we're going to do now, we're going to press Option on your Mac, select the clip, or Alt on your Windows computer. So I'm pressing Option because I have a Mac, and drag this up just like this. Now I see I've got another two clips of audio, but that's not a problem at all. I'm going to delete this clips over there. Okay, I'm not doing an audio tutorial now. Let me just put it down like this for you. Okay, so here's the magic. Here where the magic happens, guys. So basically what you're going to do now, we will go again to this toolbox over here, and we'll have to find Effects Plus just over there, right? And we have to write down depth map and drag this on top. Pretty cool. What we're going to see now is this depth map, and we will have to adjust it. There are a few things to adjust here. So basically what we're going to do, we'll have to adjust the map levels. We'll have to make sure that the background and the foreground are very, very well separated. Right, so let's go to far limit, get this far limit very dark, and get this near limit very wide. So we have a pretty good separation. Right, so the thing is, it's my finger there, needs to be very well separated. I think it's looking pretty good, to be honest with you. So let's go to isolation. I don't think I need isolation here. You see, make sure the use alpha is on, otherwise you won't have the difference between the foreground and the background. So you have to make sure. Okay, so now we have to do this, and now it's looking pretty good already. Look at this. It's coming down, but we still need to work a little bit on that. So near limit, okay, near limit, that's fine. Far limit, even darker. Let's have a look now. Oh yes, so much better. Now let's make sure we go to playback and go to render cache, smart, playback, delete render cache, right selected clips, and then it's going to render again with the last settings. Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can do this. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. One thing I would say, make sure the foreground and the background is very separated, so use an open aperture, use a very small aperture, like I don't know, like 2.8 for video is fine, so you can have a big separation. Because my wall is very close, the separation is not that big, but it works. It works super easy and it's super fast, and you can do it in DaVinci Resolve. Whereas another option you can do that probably works a little bit better is the old-fashioned way, but I'm going to show it to you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.